I want to welcome you to the Automotive Restoration Center out here in Harnett County. With the Automotive Restoration Program, we cover a wide array of much needed skills. We cover things from metalworking, welding, bodywork, paintwork. We have a state-of-the-art spray booth here at our center. We also cover electrical, engines, and we even cover upholstery. So when you think about a restoration of a classic vehicle, all of these skills are needed in order to properly restore the vehicle. So if you have a desire to really learn automobiles, especially if you have a love for the classic automobiles, and you really don't even have to have a love for automobiles themselves. When you think about the different skills that we cover, they go into a lot of different fields, aviation, even motorcycles. And we oftentimes have students that are into just the artistry of learning these skills. So when you think about metalworking and welding, painting, there's a lot of art that goes into that. And so we're just really looking for hardworking students that want to learn.